Hello everyone, how are you doing? Yesterday, OpenAI Agent SDK has released its new version. Today, 21st March 2025. We are going to explore these new features of SDK. First of all, here you can see one most important new feature is add voice pipeline support. What that mean? It's mean that you can connect your real world application with agent and agent have conversation with you. For this purpose, I am going to running one local application in my computer to testing this new features. Here you can see there are two short keys. Press K to talk with agent, press Q to quiet this application. I will press K. Hello ChatGPT. Can you tell me about PIAIC? That is President Initiative Artificial Intelligence in one sentence.
The President Initiative for Artificial Intelligence and Computing, PI, is a government-led program in Pakistan aimed at promoting education and training in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies to foster innovation and job creation.
Who was the founder of PIAIC?
It seems like you wrote something in another language. How can I assist you further in English?
Who is the founder of PIAIC?
The founder of PIAC is President Arif Alvi, along with key contributions from various technology leaders and educators in Pakistan.
What are the technical courses they are offering?
The Pakistan International Airlines, PIA, was founded by the government of Pakistan in 1955, with its first managing director being Isbahani.
Just tell me.
PIAC offers various technical courses, including 1. Artificial Intelligence, 2. Cloud Computing, 3. Blockchain Technology, 4.0. Internet of Things, 5. Data Science, 6. Big Data, 7. Cybersecurity, 8. Robotics. These courses are designed to equip students with the skills needed in emerging technology fields.
As I know that PIC
Hello,
only
how can
just
I assist
one
you today?
course that's named Certified Cloud Native Agentic AI. Are you able to listen to me? Okay. Due to some technical issue, this application is a stop maybe due to internet. So we experience what new feature is offering and how it is performing. Hopefully, it will improve in upcoming version. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Take care.